Hey guys, welcome back. So this is going to be a really quick video. So I shared this die in my previous video, but I'll put the links in this one anyway. And this is actually a planner die, but I covered the hose and then I put her in front of a box. And it's perfect. Look at this. I had these boxes in my stash. It's the perfect size because you don't even see the box behind her. So isn't it cute? Look at that. So I love this. So this is just another way that you can use these boxes. I mean, not these boxes, but these dies to put in front of your boxes. And look how cute. Look at this. Like, imagine a whole bunch of these little boxes. This is adorable. And at first, I was going to add the same thing in the back. But I was like, nah, you know what? I just decorate the sides because it's usually the front anyway. But yeah, just a super quick video. I wanted to show you what else you can do with these dies. And that's it. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.